Hey, this is Sabrina, Marketing Director for Ballen Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to use ManyChat for your Facebook automation. And this is just one section of ManyChat that we're going to go over today. There's a whole bunch of different options that you can do, but the one we're going to go over today is the welcome message and automated responses. Now, some of these we're still kind of continuing to learn, so we may put out other videos regarding this later on down the road. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that way you get updates when those are released. So from ManyChat, what you're going to do is you're going to go into the automation section on the left, and then you're going to go down to welcome message. So you have a welcome message to begin with. So what you want to do is you want to type in whatever that welcome message is. So this could be something like, hi. I want to put their name in here. So I'm going to go down to these little brackets in this gray bar, and I'm going to put in their first name. Now a fallback, this is basically if their first name is not available or it's too long to fit. So I could do hi there instead. Okay. And then you could say, how can we help you today? Or if you want to be even more specific, you could say, are you looking to buy or sell a house? So you can start with a more specific question here as well. So I'm just going to do, how can we help you today? And then I want to add a button. Now you can jazz up your message with videos and files and different stuff on here. I'm just going to go over the basic messaging portion here. So how can we help you today? So I can say, for this one, this is the keto one. So we could say, actually with this one, it'd probably be a more specific message. Are you looking to lose weight and lead a healthier lifestyle with the ketogenic diet? Then you can say yes or no. Okay, so then from here, what I'm going to do is on this yes option, if you click on just the word yes, what you can do is you can choose additional actions that you want to happen when they click on that button. So if you want it to add a tag, remove a tag, subscribe them to a specific marketing sequence that you've set up in ManyChat, mark the conversation as open, notify somebody, set a custom field. So there's quite a few things that you can do with this. The biggest one that we've been using recently has been adding and removing tags. Now on the right-hand side, you have an action. So when that button is pressed, what else do you want it to do? Do you want it to send a message? Do you want it to open a website, call a phone number, start another flow? Do you want it to have a delay or select an existing step? We don't have any existing steps on the left right now. So for this one, I'm just going to choose send a message. Okay. And then I'm going to click on send a message, and it takes me to this new message. And you can see your conversation in a preview on the right-hand side. Now I'm going to name this. So I'm going to name this one interested in keto. Okay. Because that's what they said. Yes, they're interested in keto. Okay. So with this one, we could say, are you looking for more, let's say, are you looking for one-on-one coaching solutions or an all-in-one starter package? So we could say one-on-one. Oops. We could say starter package. We could say not sure would be the other option there. So again, from here, you just choose which one you want. You will have to set up a solution for all three of these, so you'll kind of be bouncing back and forth. But let's say one-on-one, I'm going to go ahead and send another message. So again, I'm going to say one-on-one interest. Great. We can definitely help with that. Great one-on-one coaching solutions to help you are you looking to spend on coaching? So this is where you can kind of break it down and pre-qualify some of your leads before they get to a live representative. So on this one, you can put in here under 100. Whoops. Under 200. Actually, I'll just do over 100. Okay. Now on here, this is where I may add a tag. So I'd go down to this additional actions, add a tag so I know keto coaching budget under 100. Okay. And then you can do this one, add tag, keto coaching budget over 100. And this kind of helps filter out some of your contacts in here too. So again, when you click on here, now what else? What do you want it to do next? So if their budget's under 100, then we can send them a message. And don't be scared to do this, to basically send non-qualified leads away. You don't want to waste your time with leads that aren't going to turn into business. So in this case, our coaching sessions start at $100. So if their budget is under $100, then we would maybe give them a promo. Like for example, we could say, great, our coaching sessions are $99 for each 30-minute session. But we do have a deal where you can get 4 sessions for only, let's say, so let's say $299, which would put each session at $75, which would be $74, about $75 a session. Is this something you might be interested in? So again, you can say yes or no. Okay. If they say yes, cool. Let's send them a link. Let's move them along. Now I'm going to show you a no example here. So let's say no. So they can't do our coaching. So I can send them another message and I could say, I understand. There is group coaching in an online accountability. I can't spell right now. So you can give them another solution of something that may fit that budget, or you could simply say, I understand. If that's ever something that interests you, you can always reach back out to us at our email here. You can learn more about the keto diet for free on our blog at ketodays.com. So I like to always give them an alternate solution, so that way we're not like, hey, we can't help you, peace. I definitely want to still provide value, even if that value is not directly with us. So that's why I kind of put that in there. Now, if I wanted to hyperlink, I need to put that HTTP in there. Okay, so that is pretty much the button options here. Now, let's say they say yes, okay? I want to get them with a member of our team. So I want to get their contact info. So I'm going to do send a message again. So they're going to click yes. I want to send them a message. Now I actually delete the message option and I add a user input at the bottom here so they can type in whatever they want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, great, what is the best email to send you that deal? Enter field name, create a new custom field. You're going to name it. So this is going to be their email address. It is a text field. You also have number, date and time, true or false options on here as well. Okay. Perfect. So then you can see on our chat here, what's the best email to send you the deal. User replies as expected. So now here, I'm going to do down at the bottom, continue to another step. So once they respond, what do I want them to do? So choose next step. I'm going to want it to send them one more message. And I'm going to say, great. We will get that sent your way. The deal expires on September 30th, 2018. If you have any questions, please contact our team at support@keto days. Okay. Now I also want on here, if I want a team member or somebody to reach out to them, or I want somebody to be notified that, hey, yes, this is a hot lead. They said they want it. On this continue to another step option, you can have it perform an action. So I'm going to click on this, select an action, and on here, I want to notify an admin. So if I click on that option, now on here, I can notify an admin on this list. Now you can set up different users and admins in your ManyChat program, and then they will pop up on this list. So it'll send them a message on Facebook Messenger, and it will send them an email unless you uncheck one or the other. Now in this message here, you could say so-and-so is interested in the one-on-one coaching bundle for $299. Please reach out to them to see if they have questions or whatever. You can even just say, please make sure they got the email. Okay. Their email is, and then you can go back to this little gray bar and pull in your merge fields and pull in your custom one that you created for the email address. And there you go. So when it notifies you, it'll say, so-and-so is interested in the one-on-one coaching bundle. Please make sure they get the email. Their email is this email. Okay. Now I forgot to name these as I was going. So you want to try and name them. Otherwise it's just going to be send message 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to get confused. So with this one, it's coaching interest, or actually this one was, they were under $100. So I'll say coaching under 100. And then this one, interest coaching bundle. This one is send confirmation of email for coaching bundle. And then this one, not interested. Okay, so you can label them because you're going to wind up with a lot of outcomes and it's going to get messy really quick. Now, if you want, after this option here, let's see. Oh, no, I went over that. So that's pretty much how to set up these messages. Don't forget to go back to your initial message and make sure that all options have a solution. So this one with the arrow has a solution. So if I click on it, it will show me the next option. But if they still have that little circle, they still need an outcome for when they actually click that button. Okay, so that is the basics of setting up your chat in ManyChat. If you have questions, you can contact us at team@ballenbrands.com. And thanks for watching.